Alright guys, 2024 Honda Civic, same thing as 2021 and up. This is how you take out the dash on this thing. So you can see that it's loose already. That's a lot of hours putting this thing down. We're gonna start on the driver's side first. So there's two bolts down here that bolts it down. You're gonna have to take out that finishing vent right here all the way to the cluster gauge. You have to take out the cluster gauge. There's a one bolt on each side, two and one in the middle. Take that out. Okay, so yeah, and then there's two connectors that needs to come out. There's a connector right there on the cluster. Yeah. Okay. And of course there's a cover right here. All this plastic piece, there's a lot of push pin retainers, like this blue one right here is baby blue. Like it doesn't bolt down or anything. The knee airbag is gone. I got a video of that. Center console, the upper piece is gone. We need to take that out. Finishing control head unit right here is gone. I got a video to how to take those out. It's gone. And the radio screen, the touch screen right here, it's gone. I got a video of that as well. You need to take those out before you get to the dash. And down here on the passenger side, you need to take out the glove box first. And when you get the glove box, there's a bolt right there. That's the main bolt. That's a big bolt. That's going to the airbag right there. That's going to the airbag, that bolt. It just to secure this dash. Okay, so make sure to get that out. And then on the corner over there, there's another bolt. That's the hard part. You need to have small hands. You put a screwdriver in there and then slowly spin it. And you probably get like a small little socket as well. Same thing on this side right here. There's a bolt right there. Bolt hole. So a pillar has to come out so that this whole dash will come out. And now we're gonna slowly take this thing out of here, and I'm gonna show you where the bolt holes are. All right, so there's a lot of wiring cables right there. All that stuff's connect to the dash right there. That's the one in the middle for the radio and the clock. Center console right there has lots. Oh my god, so tons of them. And here we go. This is the bracket for the bolts right here. Here's the bracket for the bolts I'm talking about. And right there, where's that bolt that goes in?
It's hard to.
Yeah, right there, that's where the bolts goes in. And then that one down here too, behind the glove box.
This one.
Yeah.
This one, I put it here.
That's the bolt.
Bolt here.
Yeah, because if you don't get that out, this whole thing is not gonna come out. So make sure to get that bolt out when you get the dash out. So this is the airbag right there that we're gonna take out. This is a good airbag. And right on the center console, there's a bolt holes right here that needs to come out. My god, there's so many bolts. Probably what, 10, 15 bolts on this thing. You don't need to take the whole frame, the whole structure of this dash, just the upper piece. And there she is. That's it. That's how you take out the dash. It's not like a step-by-step procedure, but we'll give you guys an overview what this thing look like, so that next time if we ever want to do this job again, you guys know how easy this thing to come out. Probably like what, total an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah. So that's it, guys. This is 2021 Honda Civic and up to 2024. That's how you take out the dash. So thanks for watching.